For this video, the seller sent over these really nice wooden parallel bars. Now these are made of a really sleek beech wood, which makes it really easy and convenient to go ahead and clean when you need to, and it's also super comfortable in your hand. I love the size of the actual bar. It's really easy to grip, and it's really good for all ages too, from adults all the way down to kids. Now, when my husband and I work out, we love getting our kids involved in it, and this is a perfect step for them to get involved in your exercises. There's so many different things you can do, especially if you do have a gymnastics background and you want to get those fundamental skills in, like push-ups, dips, L holds, even handstands along the way. These are perfect for that. Now what you'll notice is that the base on here is really sturdy, and on the bottom it does have 4 different grips, so it's going to be nice and secure. Whether you are on a flat smooth surface or you're on carpet, it's going to stay nice and secure for you when you are exercising. Now these are really easy to put together. It took about 5 minutes. You just had a couple screws, 2 on each end, and you're good to go. Now like I said, this is a perfect addition to, especially if you have a home gym. There's so many different exercises you can do in it. I love how you can move them further away. You can adjust them closer together if that's what you need. Also, you can move them around your gym. They are nice and light, so they're easy to move wherever you need them. They're easy for kids to pick up and move as well, so they can go ahead and set up their exercises too. And what's really nice too is you can use them separately like this to do push-ups, or when we have our kids working out with them, we'll have them do like plank holds on these and just use one bar, and you can have both of them working out at the same time. So if you're looking for a really durable and well-made wooden handled set of parallel bars, these ones right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.